So hello everyone, welcome to my another video. Today I will show you that how you can access blocked website in your country. For example, Facebook is blocked in China. So if you are in China, so you can access Facebook from this method. So watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistake in this process. So first you have to go for Play Store and search Super VPN. You have to install that app. After installing that app, you have to open it. Now you have to connect to VPN. So it's now connected. That's mean now I can visit any website that is blocked in my country. Actually, this app changed my IP address. Yes, for example, if you are in China, so your IP is changed. Now you can visit any website that is blocked in China. So hope you guys like the video. If you found it useful, please show your support by subscribing to our channel and like our video. Meet you in the next one.